defilers of the dead, vicious violators of the innocent, the fiendish ghouls, two of history's most diabolic demons, selling cadavers and corpses to the sinister Dr. Knox for his forbidden experiments. No one was safe from the bloodlust of these depraved grave robbers, these sadistic murderers.
You killed...
Shock upon shock, terror upon terror, shatter the screen in The Fiendish Ghoul.